Hello everyone. Today I came up with another video. This is important video because I faced a problem. You might also face the same. Like if you have enabled automatic update of your website, uh, especially the plugins I'm talking about. For example, if you look at the backend of my website, this is my website backend, and on the right side you see enable auto updates. So when these options are enabled, most of the cases what happens, they update automatically when a new update comes, and the version, and if you look at the description, is 5.0 to 260, so the next version will be uploaded. Now most of the cases, as new plugin comes in, they are not actually in many cases they are not compatible with new or the version of WordPress you have, so it takes some time to upgrade them and change them, adapt them, and then they might work properly for your site. And most of the cases what happens, and updated plugins break the website, and in many cases it doesn't even load even. For example, if you look at, this is my website. So last time when this is one of the plugin I have, Google language translations, like when uh, any other language speaker can use this website with the other languages. So what happens, it broke my site, so when it uploaded. So I was looking back, looking for an option how to change my site, and also it happened like another time, one plugin updated and my site was not working, so whole backend also became white. So face this kind of problem, if you have this kind of problem or face this one, it's a very easy solution for you to resolve the issue. So when you will go to the plugins, I have already installed this one, but if you go for add new, and uh, you have to write here in WP rollback. If you write WP rollback, and you will find the option is coming. This is the one I'm talking about, WP rollback. So this is a very important plugin for your website if you are looking for plugin installation upgradation problem. So when you'll upload, when you install this one and activate this, then you will see, showing you how it looks like when you have it. You will see the new options beside other two options setting. You see there is an option called rollback. So all the plugins I have has a rollback option beside this. Now say if you don't want to keep the current one you have, so you have to press, if you press rollback option, this option over here, after you install this plugin, I have already installed it. Let me show you. See, WP rollback. So this one. So when you click the rollback option, you will see the rollback option is telling you for that plugin. For example, I click Akismet anti-spam one. So 5.02, 5.01, all the previous versions are mentioned, written here. So this is the install version 5.02. Now for some changes, if I want to, if this is the one that causing me my site to load, or something is breaking or it's not working, so I have to just check this, any of the option that I want to roll back. Usually the previous one is that does work better. So if you check that option, the radio button, and then at the bottom you will see there is a rollback option over here. Wait, give me a sec. See at the bottom, see this rollback option. So if I click this one, it will take a minute or two, or in cases seconds, and it will change back to the other version of plugin that it had. So very handy plugin. You can, if you have problem like this, or like after you are done with this plugin, you can also go back, like uninstall it. It's up to you. And if you keep it, that is also a safe one. Like whenever you have a upgrade or new plugin that have you have installed and have a problem, you can always go to the rollback options. So thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel, and remember WP rollback. And when you install it, you will see these options besides setting, activate, deactivate, any other option you have. And all you have to do is click the rollback option and choose the version, click it, and it will go back to the version you had. Okay, so have a nice day. I will see you in another video.